Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a paper rose. I learned how to make this a few weeks ago when my friend and I went to karaoke night at this local place. And a couple of guys, they're really nice. They make them for everyone. I think they make them for all the girls. Yeah, it's just, that's cute. But anyway, it's not really for like professional crafting use because they get kind of, here's a few more, they get kind of like crushed when you take them places. But if you're bored like at a restaurant or at school or something at lunch and you know there's napkins laying around and you just want to do something fun, this is a great idea for that. And if you want to make it for more like crafting purposes, I'm sure that you could find a way to color it to look like a real rose, like by using marker or paint. And then you could probably find some spray fixative or something else to preserve it, and then it would be, you know, more stiff and it just probably wouldn't get all gross. These are really, really easy, and all you need is a napkin. One napkin. The thing about napkins that you might have at your house, well, at least at my house, this napkin, see how gross this looks? Like, this is what I'm going to show you how to make them with, but it's because this is a thicker napkin. Oh my god, it's so bad. But I know how to make them, but alright, at restaurants or wherever, they have thinner napkins. With a thinner napkin, it will look a lot better, hopefully. Here's how you do it. You take your napkin and you unfold it all the way. So like that. And then you take two corners and make them meet. There. It doesn't matter if it's perfectly folded or anything, and it's a lot easier to fold these on a flat surface like a table. Alright, so then you take one end and you either put your two fingers like this or you put one in front and one in back like that. I'm just going to put both of them like this, and then you kind of start wrapping it around your fingers all the way, and it doesn't matter how loose or tight. I guess just kind of experiment with them because the roses seem to turn out differently each time. So wrap it all the way around your fingers, and then you can feel where your fingers end, where the tip of your fingers are, and you're gonna take that and just twist it really, really tight underneath it, where your fingers are, where your fingertips are, and then you're gonna continue to twist it up, twist it down, really, okay. You're gonna continue to twist it, and wherever you want a leaf to be for on your stem, you just kind of take a little bit of the paper towel, or take a little bit of the napkin and just kind of puff it out like that, and then continue to twist the rest of the stem. And then you have this, and I don't know if you can see that, right? And you can kind of mess around with the flower part of this, the bud, or whatever you'd like to call it, and just kind of, you know, make it look more like there are petals in it. So just kind of mess around with that. So there you go. Alright, now like I said, the ones I just made right now, it's the right technique, but the napkins are kind of thick. So, I don't know, I personally think the white one looks better. A lot better. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's more of a boredom buster idea than practical crafting, but like I said, I gave you some ideas on how you can make it into a practical craft. So if you do that, let me know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed to this channel already, please hit subscribe on your way out, and also check out my Twitter, Tumblr, and Formspring if you're into that stuff. I will see you guys later. Bye.